Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a fiber optic cable and it is really long and it is HDMI and it will do up to 8K. So what I did was I ran the cable from my TV and I have it going all the way, and then it goes in here into my Fire Stick. So you can see here's all the wires. It goes into the back of the TV, just in the HDMI one, and then I just plug it into the Fire Stick just like this. Hopefully it'll come back. I didn't unplug it, so it should still recognize it. Yes, okay. And then we can go and you can see it's gonna do a nice, well, this video is 4K. It'll do 4K, it'll do 8K, it'll do whatever through it. So that's cool. So you could really run something if you have to run a wire all the way across the house or something. Oop, I hit the prime button. But you can see you can do it all the way anywhere. So this is really cool. So if you need to have a really long HDMI cable, it'd be great for like a media room or something like that. You could run it all the way anywhere, or pretty much just anything, an office or anywhere. So if you need to go some good distance, this is the way to go. This is awesome. Very cool. Thumbs up for sure.